Good morning, everybody. I am here. And I don't think that BeLive made an announcement. So we'll see. I may be talking to a vacuum today. Oh, what are we going to do, right? Okay. Thought Jimmy might show up, but I don't see him. I invited him, but here I am. I'm here. Here we go. We have 113 homes we listed yesterday, which is an awesome thing, right? We like that. We put 146 under contract, and that's pretty good. I don't think we've been hitting those big numbers lately for the under contract. So we'll see what's going to happen in August when all these homes start to sell, because this month we're a little bit behind June. June was a stellar month with 148 sales a day. Oh, hi, somebody's watching me. Good. I don't think I made an announcement. But anyway, sorry, everybody. Glad you're here. So let's see, what was I saying? Right now, of course, Friday's the last day of the month. I ask everybody, make sure you put your sales in on Saturday, because that's the 31st, and then it'll keep the numbers correct for July. But I think it'll come up, of course, a little bit. I don't know how much, because we closed 105 yesterday. We have 24 days of inventory. I think that's good. And you know why, I believe. I'll tell you in a second if you don't. Anyway, of the homes that were listed yesterday, there were 90 single family homes listed yesterday. 30 of them were under. Hi, Karen. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. I'm sure you didn't get a notification because something went wrong. But anyway, let's see. So what was I saying? 30 of those homes that were listed yesterday, the 90, 1/3 of them were under 400,000. So that's very good. And of the 3,116 single family homes that we have listed, we have 1,070 under 400,000. So that's good. So the median price, we will adjust it. It's $398 right now. So we'll see what happens. I like to wait till the end of the month, and then even a little bit farther into August, so that we get all the stats. And I like to see what GLVR or LVR has to say as well. Why do I like 24 days of inventory? Well, one of the pitches that Zillow gives to everybody is that why not get your money as fast as you can, you know, with the least amount of hassle, because realtors, you know, give you hassles, and you got people running through your home, invading your privacy. And so there's two things you can do. You can, number one, tell the buyer's agents need to start bringing more qualified people to the table with companies that can do appraisals in the least amount of time. That's a plus to overcome the iBuyer platforms, what they tell them. Good morning, Frank. Good to see everybody this morning. Yeah, glad you're here. I got my regulars. Got my coffee this morning. I was up at 1:30, so I really need this morning. So good. So yeah, Zillow has two pitches. We invade their privacy, and the stress of not knowing if somebody's qualified. So the way we're going to have to overcome that, buyers agents and lenders are going to have to get appraisals done faster, and to overcome that objection, because Zillow comes in with cash. But so buyers agents need to, like, oh, sorry. I was out walking in that humid air this morning. Yvette Hansen, who brought a qualified VA buyer to John's $1.3 million listing, which was a referral from Victoria in California. Thank you so much, Victoria. Anyway, so the person was qualified, did the appraisal and the inspection in 3 days of the contract. It was Friday. It was over the 4th of July. So Tuesday, we had the inspection. Wednesday, the appraiser went out. And so there was no stress, or limited stress anyway. We had a good, we could overcome the objection of why they would use a Zillow versus using us, the seller. So that solved that problem quite nicely, because this particular this fella, he was an astute businessman. He probably could have sold this house himself, and he knew that. But anyway, I digress a little bit. So Yvette brought a qualified VA buyer, and with a lender who was able to perform in record time, or record time as far as we were concerned. And it closed in 21 days. So from Friday, was it the 2nd or the 1st of July? I forget. But anyway, it closed last Friday. So it was 23 days. So anyway, we overcame the objections that the iBuyers. Hey, good morning, Annetta. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see people this morning. Thank you. So we were able to overcome those 2 objections that you're going to have to overcome. And it's going to be, the crux of everything's going to fall on the buyers to bring those qualified buyers with companies that can do appraisals quickly. And then, of course, the other thing is the invasion of privacy. So what we're saying is, start thinking about doing like 1 day a week. You're going to let people come in, make appointments or whatever, however you want to do it. But they have, 1 day a week that they can show the house. So now the seller says, well, I want to be represented by a realtor, so I won't use Zillow. My privacy is only going to be invaded once. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. My privacy is only going to be invaded 1 day a week. And the agent is going to request that buyers bring almost ready to close, subject to appraisal buyers. So that's where we're headed. I just want to keep reiterating that because it's so important that we get on board. If you listened to me last week, I read that Zillow report that 1,000 Watt, the statistical real estate company, did. And they said 50% of the people said they go with Zillow. They know, like, and trust them. So anyway, we've got all that. So let's move on today because we have interesting information here.